In this in-depth look, we're diving into the much-anticipated Sony A7V, a powerhouse that's set to redefine the full-frame mirrorless camera landscape. The Sony A7V has taken the tech world by storm, and for a good reason. This camera is packed with groundbreaking features that will make both photographers and videographers rethink their gear choices. Today, we'll explore everything from its new sensor technology to the enhanced autofocus system, improved low-light capabilities, and high-end video specs. Is it really the ultimate hybrid camera, or will it face tough competition in the market? Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's break down what makes the A7V a game-changer. Sony's A7 series has long been known for pushing the boundaries of innovation, and the A7V promises to take that legacy even further. With early rumors circulating, it's clear that this latest iteration could be one of Sony's most versatile releases. Let's take a deep dive into what we know so far about this revolutionary camera. Price and market position when it comes to price. The Sony A7V is expected to fall within the mid-range category of Sony's mirrorless camera lineup, possibly priced between $12,500 and $12,800. While this might seem like a steep price tag for some, considering the rumored advancements in sensor performance, video capabilities, and autofocus technology, the A7V could be a dream for hybrid shooters who need both superior photo and video functionality. With its competitive pricing, it is likely to rival other high-performance models like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and the Nikon Z7 III. Video capabilities. For videographers, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be a truly powerful tool. Leaks have suggested the A7V will offer impressive 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, FPS, and 4K recording at up to 120 FPS. This makes it a viable option for content creators who demand high-quality video without compromising on performance. Additionally, it's expected to feature 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording, which is a huge boost for color grading and post-production flexibility. Another standout feature is the rumored heat dissipation technology borrowed from the flagship Sony A1. This will allow the A7V to record for longer periods without worrying about overheating. This makes it particularly attractive for long shoots, whether you're filming cinematic content or high-end video production. Combined with improved stabilization and dual-gain ISO, the A7V promises to excel in low-light and dynamic environments, offering rich, detailed footage in even the most challenging lighting conditions. Sensor and image quality. One of the biggest upgrades we're expecting with the Sony A7V is its new 33MP full-frame stacked sensor. This updated sensor promises to deliver faster readout speeds, enhanced dynamic range, and superior low-light performance, making it an exciting option for professionals who demand precise image quality. With the ability to achieve a dynamic range of over 15 stops, the A7V is poised to deliver stunning, detailed images in both bright and dark conditions. This enhanced sensor will also help reduce rolling shutter, a common issue with mirrorless cameras, ensuring better performance in both still photography and video shooting. In real-world use, this means less distortion and more natural results when capturing fast-moving subjects or shooting handheld in dynamic environments. Build and design. The design of the Sony A7V will likely carry over many elements from its predecessors, but with some important refinements. Leaked images suggest that the camera will feature a slightly deeper grip, catering to users who prioritize comfort, especially during extended shooting sessions. The body will likely remain compact and lightweight, maintaining Sony's reputation for producing mirrorless cameras that are both versatile and easy to handle. In addition, Sony is rumored to incorporate improved weather sealing, making the A7V more robust and durable, particularly for outdoor shoots in harsh environments. A newly designed button layout and a larger, more responsive LCD screen with touch functionality will further enhance the user experience, making it easier for both photographers and videographers to quickly adjust settings and capture their shots with precision. Autofocus. Performance. When it comes to autofocus, Sony has always been a leader in the mirrorless camera market, and the A7V is expected to continue that trend. The camera is rumored to feature advanced AI-driven subject recognition, allowing for enhanced real-time tracking and better accuracy in tracking both human and animal subjects. This is particularly beneficial for wildlife photographers or those shooting fast-moving action shots, as the A7V will be able to lock onto subjects more effectively than ever before. Low-light autofocus is another area where the A7V is expected to shine. With rumored improvements in autofocus performance, this camera could be a top choice for astrophotographers or event photographers working in dimly lit conditions. Whether you're shooting in low light or trying to track fast action, the Sony A7V promises to deliver reliable, fast, and accurate autofocus every time. Battery life and power management. Battery life is always a crucial consideration for professionals, and the A7V is expected to offer significant improvements in this department. While it may use the same NP-FZ100 battery as its predecessors, reports suggest that Sony has optimized power efficiency to support longer shooting sessions. Additionally, the camera is rumored to feature USB power delivery (PD) support, allowing for faster charging and the option to power the camera directly from an external power bank. This is an exciting development for on-the-go creators who need extended power for long shoots or those filming in remote locations without easy access to power sources. Connectivity and workflow. Connectivity is another area where the Sony A7V is expected to excel. The camera is likely to feature dual-band Wi-Fi 6, which will allow for faster and more stable wireless transfers. This will be particularly useful for photographers and videographers who need to quickly upload large files to the cloud or share their work with clients. Additionally, the A7V will likely include dual card slots, supporting both CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2 cards. These card slots will provide faster data write speeds, ensuring smooth performance when shooting high bitrate video or capturing a burst of high-resolution images. Sony is also rumored to improve its integration with the Imaging Edge app, allowing for advanced remote control features and seamless cloud storage options. Conclusion. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be a powerhouse of a camera, combining cutting-edge technology with a user-friendly design. With its new 33-megapixel sensor, improved autofocus, 8K video capabilities, and advanced connectivity options, this camera has the potential to redefine what we expect from a mid-range mirrorless camera. Whether you're a professional photographer, content creator, or enthusiast, the A7V promises to deliver the performance you need to take your work to the next level.